long videos, but I think I might just start doing it. Today I've got one camera with me, the other ones are all flat. We've punched out about 70 kilometers. We're up in Platypus Bay today, and let's see if we can catch any fish. Sorry if my editing sucks, I am still learning, and I am old. Not really, but sort of old. Big bait, let's go. First fish. Chewy. Look at that. That's cool. Alrighty, back down. It's a bit of a shower going on down on the sounder. See how we go. Nah. Let him eat it. That's something little. See what we got. Hey, it's target species, just little. Oh, we got a fish. And we got shark. God damn it, that was a little snapper, way undersized, but fish are here, the sounder is lit up. See how we go, this drop. So it's a fish every drop so far. Alright, on the bottom. Oh, he grabbed that. Oh, we're on the Rodney rod holder. Oh, it's a cracker too. Oh, gone. Fuck, I didn't have it in time. Dang it. Oh, we got boats coming out here now, finally. It's taken everyone all morning. Something little. It's not what we came here for. Little trevally again. Just a little one. At least I'm catching fish for a change. Just the dropper. Little bit of squid. There's lots of fish down there, but there's also sharks now, which sort of sucks. So, see what we can do. A Rodney rod holder over there doing his little wavy thing. See how we go. I reckon I'm just bringing up another head. Yeah, a little baby snapper. So our boat's getting rocky. Lucky I'm out, not my partner. Sonny would be sick as a dog. Little trevally. That's not a little trevally. That's a shark. Old Rodney rod holder hasn't gone off for a while. I might have to check and see if I've been snipped off. Another trevally. Yeah, that's a bit better. So it's been very quiet until now. Catching some fish. It's good fun. Got him. I think it's just a little snapper. Yeah, it's a little baby. They're nice and healthy though. We had to move from before because the sharks were everywhere. But these guys are just having a ball. Bit of fun. I actually got some really nice fish. I should have had my camera going, but I didn't, because there was just a lot of sharks around before. Oh, that got taken. Good take too. What do we got? It's another little snapper. Fish on. What do we got? Probably a husser. Feels like a little husser. Hey, a little pinky. Straight on the squid. Yeah, I can hear him. Oh, there we go. There's a good little live bait. So, I caught a few fish. I think I got a few on video, so I'll get home and I'll have a look at all this. I might stop off and have a little bit of a squid on the way home and see what we can find. There's a couple of whales around, so maybe they might come up to the boat. Don't know. We'll have a look. But anyways, cheers.